All right, everybody, welcome back to the Stein Homestead. A little different topic today, kind of along the same lines of our trip to the mountains, because we're currently, well, let's see, let me back up. It is going to be about the Joolca, I probably pronounced that wrong, Nomad Hot Tap hot water system. It's going to be powered by a Jackery 600 portable solar station, because that's what I'll get into that in a minute, why we chose these things. And I got a propane bottle for us to test it. I've opened it, packed it, but I haven't actually hooked it all together and used it. So we're going to go over why we chose this, what we're going to use it for, in what context it'll work, and how, I mean, it comes with a whole pile of quick start handy reference guides. So we're going to kind of go over how easy it is to set up and how easy it is to use all the directions that come with it. All right, so the why. We had a camper last year. It's a 26 footer. It was fun to go places, but we sold it and we got a new one. It's being built right now by Dune Sport. It's a 12 foot by 8 foot, kind of like one of them, those utility trailer campers you see. It's got a double bunk bed system in the back and cabinets in the front, and that's it. No bathroom, no water, no heater, no refrigerator. Because the more we looked at it, you have to I get tired of draining black water tanks, and you still have to deal with this tiny little toilet seat. So we'll go over our solution for that. The water system, it's a compromise in a camper, and you're stuck with it in the camper. You can't take it out and use it somewhere else. You can't be on a day trip somewhere, a picnic lunch, be like, no, I want to bring this so that I have a sink so I can wash up. You can't. It's there. That's all you can use it for. Just like the heater, we're gonna get one of the little Mr. Buddy heaters for it, the indoor rated ones. We got an outdoor, because the kitchens on inside campers are just junk. They're too small to do much, I think. So we got an outdoor nice grill for it. And kind of along the same lines of, if I ever had to stay in this camper for a long period of time, your potable water, garbage. You ain't gonna be, how are you gonna refill it? Your black water tank, it's gonna fill up. Where are you gonna dump it? So it's kind of designed to be a flexible utility space trailer that's geared towards camping. But all the solutions that you'd find in a normal camper are, we're gonna have them. We're gonna have a sink, we're gonna have a shower, it's gonna be portable, we're gonna have power, solar powered, gonna have a way to heat, cook food, everything, except it isn't gonna be totally tied up in that camper. So we can use it in other places in our life too. So let's check it out. All right, so here we are. I got my little ammo can accessory crate here. Got the directions, quick reference book. One of the hot water hoses, propane hose, and all this comes with the package. You don't have to buy none of this. Another hot water hose, power cord, batteries, and a little sticker.
I'm a little giggle. I didn't put this on me.
Set that down here. All right, so got the two sides of your sink, which will show you how that goes together here in a sec.
These are dirty, not giggle.
And I just have that ammo can because I really I don't like trying to cram everything back in one box. It doesn't work well for me. Oh, that's all right, buddy. Cold water hose, another hot water hose. This is the actual hot tap setup. On the bottom, you have your battery compartment for your batteries.
I'm gonna put some batteries in. Can I put one battery in?
Yep, you can do that. Oh, there goes. Just like that. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. You like to put batteries in, don't you? Good job. All right.
This is giving me that.
Just goes right here. All right, now there is the base for it in there.
2 plugins.
Yep, there's a cold water, a hot water, and a gas plug-in. And over here, like I said, this is the instructions for use, how to set it up, and mounting options. So you can hang it with lightweight feet or include the included stand. We're going to use the included stand. So.
Oh, this feels cold, Daddy.
Let's see how I can mount.
Cut it off.
All right. So first up, we have a water hose, input water hose. Oh, just a little pretty high quality push to. I'll let you do the hot one, buddy. You have a hot water hose, which actually come with some heavy duty hose keepers. I actually thought about a lot of stuff when they built this kit, which is kind of what sold me on it. Okay, so you just push that right on here. So easy, a 3-year-old can do it. Good job. Click, just like that.
Now can I do a
That's
one?
tight.
Can I do a blue one, please?
So now we
Can I
have
do
to.
this one, please?
Let me get this one since it's the propane one. We gotta make sure. There you go. All right. So, I mean, that was pretty slick and easy. Oh, that's on there all the way it needs to go. Now we're gonna feed all these through our stand. All right, watch out, buddy. That's where we're gonna put this.
Can I put that on there too?
So I'm gonna feed all these. There we go. All those hoses. Actually, would have been easier to put them up through the bottom first, and then do it like that. And the included stand. So it sits in there really secure, as you can see with the small child. All right, so we're gonna put this right here like. All right, now we're gonna do the off-grid plumbing quick start guide. You have your filter set up. You have this keeps it elevated.
Daddy, we need these.
All right. You got the quick connect again onto this suction hose.
This is the
Got an arrow on the back of your pump. You got an arrow on the back of your pump indicating direction of flow to your sink. We're going to connect to the pump here. This guy's going to go into our bucket.
Now what do you do? Is it gonna be hot water?
There will be hot water. Now we need to hook up our power cord.
We need to turn off.
Hunter, will you grab the power cord out of there?
Not you.
Yep.
Not
Get the power cord for me.
this power cord. This one.
Yep.
And then now do they turn the hot water on?
Not yet.
We need it. See?
Alright, so the whole point of our camping setup is to be able to power it without a generator. So I have the Jackery.
Daddy, we need to turn on the hot one.
We will.
We need to right now.
Not yet, buddy.
Not doing that.
Turn that on. That's solar powered, so we're going to put this here. All right, we're back. It took a sec. We got the water spout connection hooked up. Your wings on your sink installed. I mean, that is a big sink. Get that in an RV. All right, we had to move the hot tap so we could actually see what we're doing. Go from your bucket to your pump over here, and then out with the red to your sink.
Daddy.
All right, we got it set up. Water speed is set to low. We're gonna set that temperature to a mid. Got the sink all set up, so it says.
It's on, Daddy.
Yep, Hunter says we gotta turn it on. But in order to get the heater to go, you have to have flow through it. So we are going to turn on the flow and see what happens.
Here, Daddy.
This is a very you can hear it. There it goes. You heard the igniter going off. As soon as it sensed flow, it turned on. Oh, did this get turned off? It might take it a minute to...
I love it when they do this sound.
Alright, let's try that again. It might take it a minute to clear the line. There it goes. Feel the heat. There's quite a heater down in there. Alright. You got your temperature gauge. Instant hot water. Oh, that's hot already. Oh, don't stick your hand in that. That's hot. Alright, so when you turn that off, the flame goes out and the pump shuts off. That is handy. Alright, let's try this again, Hunter. Let's see if it turns on. Instant hot. Real hot over here. Like, oh, we gotta turn that. Don't stick your hand in that, buddy. Alright, let's turn this way down because that got really hot really quick. Alright, we're gonna start off at the bottom. Hold up. Alright, you gotta leave that shut off for a sec, buddy. I want to see if it works. This open. Alright, so we'll fill it up, but we gotta give it a second.
Okay.
Alright, so open your spout, turn on your pump. That ignited. Keep your hands out of it, it could get hot. It very, very quickly. 85, 97. Oops.
It's hot.
There's 112.
I think I did
113. I mean, that's hot.
hot, Daddy.
Oh, that must have turned on. Well, there you go. I think we're sucking down to a part where it's losing a little suction in there. All right. Okay, yeah. Wow, this works. All right. Well, we'll turn it off. Pump automatically shuts off. What other features? All right, what other features have we got that we can show you here? You have a shower feature that I think would be super cool. A magnetic holder. What else have we got over here? And you also, there's a dog, there's Ruger. But you have two more hoses in here, and they all come with a Y. Sorry, you got two more hoses and you got a Y. So you could hook this together right off the pump and send it two different directions. All in all, I mean, look how big the sink is. You can wash your sink, your dishes, drain them in there. What do you think, Hunter? Good. Is this gonna work good for camping?
Yeah.
Well, high five.
On my list.
Nope, Joolca 101. I like it.
Now we need to turn it on.
All right, so there you have it. All packed up. You got the battery, the accessories or the spouts, connections, hoses, and the hoses in the hot tap. It instantly puts out super hot water. I mean, it shuts off as soon as you're done using it. I think you'd fill this up with, you could fill it up half full with hot water, do your dishes, have hot water to wash your hands all day long. Outside, and I think for what we're gonna do, this is gonna be 100% better than trying to have a camper with a kitchen on the inside. Or if you're tent camping or whatever, this is a solution to bring that convenience with you. So I haven't tried it out in the field yet, actually camping, but setting it up, running through it was easy enough. It was intuitive enough, and it worked just exactly like it's advertised. So I'm going to give this one a pass. It's awesome.